In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color an icon in Figma. Figma is a versatile design tool used widely by both professional designers and hobbyists alike. Today, I'll guide you through the process of importing and recoloring an icon so you can customize it to fit your design needs. First things first, you need to import the icon you want to work with into Figma. You can use a PNG or JPEG format, whichever is available to you. Simply drag and drop the icon file into your Figma workspace or use the import option in Figma's menu. Once it's successfully imported, locate the icon in your layers panel to confirm it's ready for editing. Next, you'll want to select the image layer. This is an essential step because the image layer is where you'll make your adjustments. Click on the icon you just imported and it should highlight in your layers panel, indicating it's selected and ready for further customization. Once your image layer is selected, you have a couple of options to change its color to better match your design scheme. The first method involves using Figma's built-in image adjustment options. These settings allow you to tweak a variety of properties such as brightness, contrast, and saturation to manipulate the overall color tone of the icon. Feel free to experiment with these options to get your desired color effect. Alternatively, if you're looking for a more defined color change or have a specific color in mind, you can apply a color overlay. To do this, draw a rectangle over your icon, ensuring that it completely covers your image. Then apply a color to the rectangle that matches your intended design aesthetic. Set the blend mode of this rectangle to multiply, which will allow your chosen color to blend seamlessly with the icon beneath it. The multiply setting creates a harmonious overlay that adjusts the image's colors without losing its detail. This method is particularly useful if you need to maintain certain design elements while still applying a specific hue or color scheme. For a more permanent and precise recoloring solution, consider tracing the icon with Figma's vector tools. This involves using the pen tool to create a vector path that matches the outline of your icon. Once traced, you can apply any color to your new vector shape. This method not only provides greater flexibility in terms of color adjustment, but also ensures scalability without loss of quality, which is ideal if you need a high-resolution output. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effortlessly recolor icons in Figma, enhancing your designs with icons that perfectly match your project's theme or branding. Enjoy experimenting with these techniques to give your icons a fresh, customized look. Happy designing!